Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play empty arms. We'll start by identifying the core chords, which are essential for the entire song. This guide focuses on an easy, accessible method, perfect for those just beginning their guitar journey. You'll learn the song's structure and how to move between sections with confidence. Our goal is to get you playing this beautiful tune quickly and enjoyably. For empty arms, you'll primarily use 4 open chords: G major, C major, D major, and E minor. These are foundational and appear throughout the song. A simple strumming pattern like down, down, up, works wonderfully. Focus on making each chord ring out clearly. Practice transitioning between these shapes slowly at first, then gradually increase your speed. Consistency is key to building muscle memory. While strumming is great, a simple fingerpicking pattern can enhance empty arms. Pluck the bass note of the chord first, followed by the 3rd, 2nd, and 1st strings. For a G chord, pluck the 6th string, then 3, 2, 1. For a C chord, pluck the 5th string, then 3, 2, 1. Practice slowly to develop precision and a smooth, flowing sound. To master empty arms, begin by practicing each section at a very slow tempo. A metronome is your best friend for developing consistent rhythm and timing. Aim for short, focused practice sessions, perhaps 15 to 20 minutes daily, rather than one long session. Most importantly, listen to the original song frequently to internalize its feel and nuances. Enjoy the process of learning this beautiful piece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.